guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I have a Dollar Tree wooden cross that's one of the Crafter Square little wooden cutouts, and I'm going to embellish it with my Cricut and some vinyl, and I found a free printable that says Amazing Grace and I love it, and I'll link that in the description box below where I got that. So I have Design Space loaded here on my computer. You just go to circle with the plus. If you don't have this, you could probably go ahead and just print this free printable out and size it on your computer and then apply it to the cross as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here on the left hand side to images, and I'm going to browse all images in green, and then I'm going over here on the left side to ownership, click on that and click in the uploaded because I've already uploaded it. And here it is, Amazing Grace. I think it's so pretty for a cross. When you click on that, a green box will go around it, and then we're just going to go to the right bottom corner, insert images. Okay, and it comes in really big, and I have to make mine smaller, so I'm going to go up here out from size and unlock that, and I'm going to go to the width and backspace. I want to make mine 5.0, and for the height I'm going to backspace and I'm going to make mine 6.397 and lock that again. Now it won't completely fill my cross, but I think it's going to be pretty. Now to get this, if you look over here in the layers column, they're all just, if you tried to print this, cut this out, it would all just be in different ways. So what you want to do is go down here to the bottom and hit weld, and that's going to, you'll see here now, it's going to cut that out just like that. Okay, so now we're going to go to make it right top corner. I have my Cricut set to custom, and I could have changed those colors so you could see it better, and then go to continue right bottom corner, and it's all going to cut out in one piece. Okay, so now we're going to go to premium vinyl. That's what I have. And then the next time you see me, we'll be cutting out this beautiful Amazing Grace. Okay, here is my vinyl, and it is just the Cricut Permanent Premium Vinyl, and I thought this really pretty chocolate brown would be nice. And then I painted my cross, this wooden cross, right here. That's the one I got from Dollar Tree. I wanted it to just look really simple and old. I'm going to be putting this behind our television. I have a grouping of crosses, okay? And then I painted it with the Waverly chalk paint in Mineral. And I thought about maybe dry brushing it with the plaster, but I don't think I'm going to. So let me go ahead. I have my standard grit mat. Now it is large because I need to get another mat. I have cleaned the other one and cleaned it, and it's just not very sticky. Okay, and then insert it with the blinking arrow, and then we'll cut with the blinking C. And we will need some transfer tape, which I need to get. And then this will cut out this really pretty Amazing Grace. I think it's going to be so pretty on the cross. And you could do it any color. I just thought that this size worked better for this cross. Like I said, it doesn't come all the way down, but it comes pretty far. And I tried playing with it, but when I did that, then it got too wide in here and it would come down. So if you know a better way than I do, because I'm still learning too, let me know in the description box below. But I just love how that cross looks. So as soon as this gets finished, which it's almost finished, I'll be right. Okay, we'll eject it by hitting the blinking arrow. How to weed this, you just pull away everything that you don't want. So I recut it and set it to more pressure. And I think that's going to help a lot And just take your time pulling it off. And this is working much better. Okay. Okay, and then we will just get out the little centers of some of this. And that is it, and I'll show you what we have. I think this is really cute. Just like that. Isn't that so pretty to go on that cross? Okay, so now we're going to take our transfer tape, and I think I'm going to have to cut some. Okay, and then we will just get out the little centers of some of this. And that is it, and I'll show you what we have. I think this is really cute. Just like that. Isn't that so pretty to go on that cross? Okay, so now we're going to take our transfer tape, and I think I'm going to have to cut some. Okay, now I'm just going to peel off my transfer tape. And kind of bend it in. And then just straighten it out. I just thought this brown would go really well in my house. You could put any color on there that you wanted. Peel up our transfer tape. And Maggie is playing with Daddy. Okay, and then we'll just put our cross down. And you can measure if you want. I'm just really going to eyeball it. And then I'm just going to rub it right on here. And then we'll just peel it back. And you can reuse your transfer tape. Okay guys, here it is. I love how it turned out. I just took some white acrylic paint that I got at Walmart, and I just distressed it with dry brushing, and it even got on one of the stones, and I love it. And it even got on some of my vinyl, and it doesn't bother me a bit. And I'll show you where I put this in my house. I have a total of 4 crosses, and I'm going to get another one just so that it won't be an even number, and I tell you that later. But I think this turned out so cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I would love to have you a member of our family. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you don't miss an upload. So until next time, bye guys. Okay guys, I thought I'd hop on here really quick. We've been having thunderstorms, so it's not as light as usual, and it's kind of dark in this corner anyway. But this is where I put my cross. I love it. I'm going to get another one so it won't be an even number and put one up there. But I love how this turned out, but I just wanted you to see it.